This ball game, laban ng Alaska at Pure Foods. Pure Foods in the driver's seat, 38-27. With under 3 minutes to go in the second period. Here's Hugnatan. And there's a foul spotted under the
Horrendous ba? Horrendous ang field goal percentage ng Alaska. 1 out of 13 dito sa second quarter. Pure Foods 8 of 15. That's more than 50%. Ang nakakashoot pa lang pala sa Alaska dito sa second quarter si Ponasier pa lang. Eh nakaupo na sa bench
kanina pa yun. Matagal-tagal na palang hindi nakakapuntos itong Alaska. Kaya naman sila naiwan dito. Again, they go to Hugnatan.
Traveling. Hanggang doon, minamala sila. Kala natin, libre na eh.
So patuloy ang tagtuyot sa kampo ng Alaska. Napako na sa 27 points here in the second quarter. Here's James Yap.
Umikot ng umikot, nahilo lahat, at si James Yap hilo.
Well, James Yap talking with Art Herrera. Dahil pagpihit ni James Yap sumalubong yung sigo niya doon sa mukha ni Jeffrey Cariaso. Anyway, action continues here. And the scoring drought continues for Alaska as Cariaso loses the ball.
Wow. Only one field goal sa second quarter at 2 minuto lang yung natitira dito.
So Alaska, they've only scored 3 points in this period. Here's James Yap. 4-3. Rebound para kay Tenorio. Here's Holcomb. And he will score. So yan ang